So make sure that you are typing in the address. Let's go. In this step, you can just choose what kind of theme you want for that content. Yeah, this one looks okay. Let's go with this one. Okay, so let's assume that it's Williamson County. You have a lot of different updates in here, okay? So this one is basically saying stable prices in Williamson County as of September. This one is basically saying decrease in inventory in Williamson County. This one is saying decreasing in pending sales. This one is saying increasing in sales activity. So you can basically have different types of content. So based on the location that you tell us, you can have a lot of content. And if you click on this, there will basically be a voiceover on top of that with AI. Remember, we know you want to customize things, but at the same time, we know you don't have the time to come back here every day. And then you can edit everything. And if this looks good, you can simply just get your first video and download the first video.